Hello guys, most welcome in Technology Welfare. See, in this video tutorial I would like to show you how you build copy of any video tag, because as we know that creating a good tag in your YouTube channel for any video, because this is playing the vital role too, of course, access in a YouTube search engine. Of course, that will make access to your video. So here how I will do. So simple. See, for any video, suppose I would like to have a video tag of these videos, then just here click on view page source, and after clicking here you have to go in find in a Google Chrome, and here write down keyword, this one, keyword, keyword, and just enter, and see, now you will see on a scrolling line here, first one you have to leave, you have to come on a second line here. Now see, whatever video tag of this video was created by this channel, so this one, see, from here, see, just from here to here. Now see, just go for Ctrl plus C, yeah, directly by clicking left side of your mouse, just go for copy and directly paste in your channel of the video, which is of course similar according to this video. So guys, this is all about in this video tutorial, that how you will copy of any video tag. So thank you guys, have a great time, and of course it's my humble request that if my video has been benefited to you in any way, for your acknowledgement here, to enhance of your acknowledgement, then please like and subscribe to my channel, because that is the things that will inspire to me to make more and more video for education purpose. So thank you guys, have a great time.